in 2023, if you don't have a skill or you don't have an expertise that you are good at, you're going to have a problem. You're going to be in problems because the world have changed. Understand? The way things are happening in the world has changed. The way people work have changed. The way people consume content have changed. The way people listen to music has changed. You get what I mean? So what can you do to fit into the new system that is in place now? This is a skillful age that people that have skills are the ones that are benefiting more than all of us or than any other person. So in this video, I want to share with you 5 digital skills that you can learn in 2023 that will put you in the map of people that will succeed in the nearest future. We all know that the world have changed. COVID-19 came with a lot of challenges, things scattered, people are suffering, people lost their jobs, people lost their lives, companies shut down, businesses closed down, people lost a lot of things, and it reshuffled a lot of things, and it brought out new style of living, if I use that word. Now people work remotely, people work independently, people no longer really take 9-to-5 jobs seriously. People now work from their homes. A lot of things came up. So now this is where the skills come in. You get what I mean? Now it now favored, the whole thing changed and it favored the people that have skills. You get what I mean? So if you don't have a skill now, it will be a problem for you because it keeps changing, it keeps evolving, it keeps maturing. So today I want to share with you 5 digital skills that you can learn in 2023 to help yourself be in the market. You get what I mean? If you are not marketable in 2023, it's going to be a problem for you because the world is changing and it keeps changing. People are still seeing difference and things are coming up. People are losing their jobs. Things are getting harder. So if you don't have a skill now, it's a problem. Understand? So the number 1 skill I want you to learn in 2023 is photography. Photography is one. Photography has been in the system for a very long time. Photography is something that all human beings have partaken in one way or another because when you were born, your pictures were taken. Everything about you, your graduation, your whatever you're doing, there's a photography for it, and your wedding. So you can learn photography. There are different kinds of photography. There are wedding photography. There are so many kinds of photography you can learn. But the issue is that photography is one of the things that can keep you going because we keep snapping pictures, we keep making videos, we keep looking out for ourselves because the more you snap picture, the more you see how you look. So people want to see the updated version of themselves. So that's why photography is a skill that is no longer it's not going to go away anytime soon because it's something that we need. Every human being needs a photo or a photographer. Understand what I'm saying? So the number 2 skill that you will learn in 2023 is graphic design. Graphic design is, back in the days we looked down on it. People will look down on it and say, graphic design, I can just pay someone to do it for me. These days, you have to learn something that people will pay you for. You get what I mean? We have a lot of people that need graphic design. We have churches, musicians, businesses, individuals. A lot of people need graphic designs for their businesses, to promote their brand, to promote their company, to do a lot of things, to promote their movie, their music. A lot of things that has to do with graphic design are there. So it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It's not going out anytime soon because these are the things that people need. And the good part is that now you don't need to. It's something that you can do from anywhere you are in the world. You can do a graphic design for me in Lagos while you are in the East, or while you are in Ghana, or while you are in Cameroon. You get what I mean? So graphic design is a digital skill that is going nowhere anytime soon, and it has been there for a very long time, and it's going to be there for long because now you can do a graphic design and send it to someone's system or a phone, and the person get it and do what they want to do with it immediately without even printing or anything. So the world is changing, and graphic design is one of the things that you need to learn. So the third thing that you need to learn in 2023 is video editing. Video editing is kind of complex, but with the softwares and the apps coming out these days, you can learn graphic design stress-free, easy. You You can also go to YouTube and search for some kind of tutorials. They have different softwares, different apps that can edit videos and things like that. We have for iPhone, we have iMovie, we have InShot, we have Rush, Premiere Rush, and all those things that you can use on your phone. And on the other way that we have on the system, we have Adobe Premiere Pro. We have a lot of them that you can learn. So learning these things most times is not about money, because some ladies, I want to learn a skill, I have to go and pay. No, sometimes you can use your phone, YouTube channel, and learn some things. Start learning things that you can implement to help yourself. You get what I mean? Because if you are not learning anything, that means you're not improving, you're not growing as a person. The day you stop learning is the day you stop earning. So you just have to learn and do something new. Don't listen to what people are saying. Don't pay attention to distraction. Focus on what you are doing or what you want to achieve. That is what it is. Because so many people want to make you feel uncomfortable in what you want to do, or you are thinking of what people will say or how people will see it when you do it. Never mind. There's a saying that says, those that mind don't matter, and those that matter don't mind. So that statement is something that you have to digest, and once you understand it, you are free to do whatever you want to do, regardless of what anybody thinks. So the fourth skill that you will learn in 2023 is copywriting. Just writing. If I use copywriting, it sounds big. Writing is a skill that you can learn. Copywriting is an act of selling, because you can't sell anything without actually writing. You can write a copy, sales copy, this copy, that copy, books, ebooks, a lot of things you can write. And the writing, movies, you can write stories, you can write a lot of things, and it's in vogue because people are buying. People need stories. People need people that can help them write things. People can help them write their scripts. People can help them do things. So copywriting has been in existence for a long time, and all the people I know that are doing copywriting are all made. They are all millionaires. They are all people that we listen to. They are people we know, because it's a skill that so many people don't really know is a skill. They don't really know it's something that can make them money. So we overlook those things and we focus on the things that we think is big. So copyright is actually big, and it's something that can fetch you money in a short time, because without copywriting you can't sell anything. And if you're helping someone to sell something, you're writing a hard copy for that person, you get paid for it. You're writing a movie for me, you get paid for it. You're writing a script for me, you get paid for it. You're writing a story for me, you get paid for it. So script writing, copywriting is a skill that you have to consider in 2023. What I'm saying is that you're not going to learn all the 5 of them, but if you learn a skill or two, you will not regret it. So the last but not the least is website design. Website design, you can also learn website design on the go with YouTube. Yes, YouTube, you have all those things, free resources that people are putting in there to help other people, and as well get paid for that, because YouTube pays people for their content. So if you're giving out quality content on YouTube, definitely you will get paid. So website design is a very big business. It's something that can make you a millionaire in dollars. If you can actually code a website or design a website, because these days we see that the world has gone digital. People are no longer interested. People easily want to book online, pay online, do this online. So how will your business be online without a website? How will any business be online without a website? So web design is one of the skills that I advise you to look into in 2023, because the world is changing. If you learn a web design course, it won't take you 3-6 months. You are done with it. You start creating websites and coding things for companies that will pay you handsomely well for that. So please don't get it wrong. The world has changed. Things have changed. The world has changed. The way people consume things have changed. The way people reason have changed. The way people do everything, the way people work have changed. And you must follow the trend. If you want to meet up in life, you must follow the trend. You must know what is happening in the world. You must know what people are doing and what they are making money from. You know what I'm saying? So if you can follow these steps and look into the 5 digital skills I talked about and learn, even if it's one, you will not regret it. So that's all I have for you today. You know how it is. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video. You don't know who might help, it might help, or who will need it, you know. And that's all we do. We're just trying to create value so that people can, you know, people that cares. You know, here in Nigeria, people like to watch comic skits and playful videos rather than doing what will help their lives. So that's how it is. And please share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.